How to write landing page content that converts. Looking for ways to improve your landing page content creation skills? Here are the do's and don'ts for creating landing page content that converts. 1. Do not use your website copy for your landing pages. Leave your vision, strategy, and high-level benefits for your website. Instead, clearly state what your product or service does and how exactly it solves your customers' needs. 2. Kill as many words as you can. A landing page with insightful yet lengthy content will almost always be outperformed by a much less content-rich landing page with distinct features and value proposition. Kill a word is almost like a game, where every word becomes a candidate to be eliminated. 3. Connect your landing page content to your ad message. Let's look at the example. Imagine a user clicked on your ad with the landing page builder for B2B marketing team's message. So your landing page message could be, are you a B2B marketer looking for a landing page builder? Try Marcom Robot. 4. Whatever you do, place your call to action at the top. High-converting landing pages are not just about the perfectly written text and appealing graphics. They are about a story where all elements have a certain role. In order for your landing page to show great performance, always consider putting your call to action at the beginning of your story, preferably right after the main headline. 5. Use striking, action-packed text for your calls to action buttons. Call to action buttons should feature striking, action-oriented text. Consider using words such as start, explore, get, reserve, try. Here are a few examples of a great calls to action. Start your free trial. Get started for free. Reserve your discount. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and visit Marcom Robot Lead Zen blog for more B2B marketing and sales operations best practices.